Good morning, guys. Mr. Birch here. Going to take you through the imperialism mapping activity and how you're going to do that in ACO, okay, with the assignment here, okay. So for the time being, just kind of pretend that this right here is your Western Civilizations page. The assignments are going to look the same. Okay, before you guys get going on this, please know you must have on your iPad, you must have Good Notes downloaded, the app. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like really quickly here. It's right here, okay? You have to have that Good Notes app, all right, in there, downloaded and ready to go, okay? If you do not, make sure you do that from the self-service page. All right, you can get that app from the self-service page. All right, so going back in here, okay, we're going to go right to the activity and get started on this assignment and see what it's all about. Okay, so when you pull it up, all right, that's the only thing that's going to be in here is that link, and then maybe another link to the video where I'm showing you guys how to do this, the video you're watching. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and click that link. All right, it's going to take you to Google Docs. All right, now that you have this in Google Docs, what you need to do next, all right, you need to go right up here to the three dots. Okay, and the three dots hit that, and then go down to share and export. Share and export right here. Okay, then you're going to send a copy. So hit send a copy, make sure PDF is checked, hit OK. It's going to prepare it for you. And then this is where you really need to pay attention. Okay, make sure you hit open in Good Notes. All right, that suggestion should be there. If it's not, all right, you can just select the Good Notes app. Either one of those, okay, will take you to where we want to go. But I'm going to hit open in Good Notes. I'm going to hit open. Okay, I'm going to import it as a new document. All right, good to go there. Boom, and now I have the assignment in Good Notes and it's ready to go. Okay, so what this looks like, all right, it's very easy, guys, for the most part. And you will have to do some swiping in between, but that's, okay, or not. Just going to kick me out. Technology not really liking me this morning. So you will have to do some swiping in between, which is totally fine. But what you're going to do is we're going to start with the Africa map first. So you will have to zoom in. I understand. I'm sorry, guys. I know the countries are a little pixely, but we're doing the best we can with this technology, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to first look at this map, okay? As you guys notice, this is Africa in 1914. Okay, as you notice, we have a map key right here, all right? And there's a lot of countries in here, including the word independent. Okay, if you notice, these countries are from Europe, okay, the continent of Europe. Is that this continent? Absolutely no, it is not, okay? This continent is Africa, all right? What we're looking at are the countries of Europe that took over territory or places in Africa. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to slide to the word bank now, the first page of the word bank. So we're going to slide over twice. All right, as you guys can see, you have Africa, all the countries are listed, and you have Asia, all the countries are listed, finishing up on the second page. What you will need to do, okay, you're going to find a country. So let's just say, I'm going to do this one with you, okay, let's just say Nigeria. All right, Nigeria, and then if you guys notice, it says Britain in parentheses. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the mapping activity. And the first thing we need to do is select colors for each of our European countries. Okay, because once again, this is the map key. Okay, so you guys can go and take your highlighter, all right, and just highlight. You need 8 colors. All right, so just for the purpose of this for Great Britain, I'm going to shade that in as green. Okay, so anything I highlight as Great Britain, it's going to be green. All right, so then what I'm going to do, once again, I'm going to go back. I'm going to make sure I have that ready to go, okay? Nigeria, Britain, I'm going to cross that one out, okay, because I know I'm doing that one. All right, so I'm going to, back to the map, I'm going down to Nigeria, which is right here. I'm just going to highlight the name, guys. You don't have to color it all the way in. I understand that's going to take a lot of time, and this, especially with you know, you can zoom in on this GoodNotes app, but it's really, really tough to really be neat and coloring the lines. So as long as you highlight the name, I'm fine with that. Okay, and then once again, I've got it crossed off. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Let's say I'm going to do Egypt. Okay, that is also for Great Britain. And as I know, my color for Great Britain is green. Okay, so I'm going to go up, and I'm going to highlight it to tell me that Great Britain is the one that conquered Egypt. All right, you're going to do that with all of these countries. Okay, so you could have, let's say, I'm going to have Belgium is going to be blue. France is going to be this kind of orange color. All right, so you need 8 different colors here, and just follow the word bank. You're going to do that for Africa and Asia as well. Okay, have been a couple questions. I want to make sure I point this out. We're going to look at Hong Kong specifically on the Asian map. Okay, so let's just say for Asia over here, we got to find Hong Kong. Oh, there it is right there. It's Great Britain. I'm going to make Great Britain orange on this map. You don't have to carry over colors. You can choose new colors. So Great Britain, they're going to be orange. Okay, Hong Kong, if you notice, guys, it's a city. All right, there's a circle there. All you need to do is just kind of color in that circle and then make sure we have Hong Kong highlighted. All right, that's all you're doing anytime that there's a city. And there's only 3 cities. It's Port Arthur, Hong Kong, and Macau. All right, so just kind of be watching that one. Also, the other thing I will point out, Indonesia, guys, Indonesia is this long island right here. Long island until it gets down to right here, which is Timor. Okay, Indonesia is all the way down here, and then it's also the second half of this island and right here. Okay, so if you guys do have any questions on this, once again, please let me know. Hopefully this video helped you out with, okay, how do we do this? You know, how do we turn this in? All that great stuff. Okay, when you do go to turn it in, it's really, really simple. Okay, we're going to act like this is my completed map. All I'm going to do is I'm going to screenshot it. Okay, so you hit the home button and the lock button at the same time. Screenshot. Now if I swipe it, it's going to be saved. Whoops. If I swipe it, it's going to be saved to my photos. So then I'll go back to the assignment in Echo. Maybe. Here we go. Okay. And when I turn this in, it's going to kick me out of this, isn't it? Nope. Okay, cool. When I turn this in, I'm going to go down to submission. Okay. And I don't have it set up, but all you're going to do is you're going to hit the arrow, okay, and you're going to hit attach a file, and it's going to bring you up to your photos, and you're just going to click the screenshots, and that's all you're going to turn in. Okay, so it should be 2 screenshots. And once again, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Hopefully this video got you on the right track with this, and I hope you guys have an excellent Friday. Like I said, if you need anything, please email me, reach out, and like I said, I hope